Hi everybody, let's make these cute little fishes. We are going to draw the fish using colorful sketch pens and pour water on it using brush. And look at the beautiful texture. Now we are adding more details like paste googly eyes, draw its fins, and look, your artwork is ready. We are going to make this beautiful peacock. First draw the body of the peacock using black marker. Then we are going to draw its feathers. Now we are going to color it using colorful sketch pens. And now the fun part, we are going to pour liquid on it using a brush. And look at the beautiful texture. Let's make this cute animal pair using sketch pen. Draw the body using colorful sketch pens, and then we are going to pour liquid on it using brush. And look at the beautiful design. Now paste its googly eyes, draw their face using marker, and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. Let's make this beautiful artwork. First we are making these random lines using colorful pens and then pour liquid on it, and look how pretty these designs are looking. Now we are making circles and then we are giving it shape of a flower, and look, it is ready. Now we are going to make a beautiful butterfly using this black marker. Add more details and look, it's done.